Welcome back. The Indian Navy has transferred 34.44 acres of land to the Airport Authority of India in Goa. Union Minister of Defence A.K. Anthony informed this to the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. However, he denied to divulge information about the survey number, area and use of land in view of national security. MP Shantaram Naik had raised a question on Navy's land at Daboli.
The Indian Navy has transferred 34.446 acres of land to Airport Authority of India in Goa. The Indian Navy was in possession of 1,627.19 acres of land for administrative and training facilities. Indian Navy is in possession of total of 1,627.19 acres of land at Daboli. Same land is being used for Naval Air Station. Also includes associate operational, administrative, training facilities and for married accommodation. 34.446 acres of the said land has been transferred to AAI. Meanwhile, 1,81,75,000 rupees have been allotted for the renovation of 13 monuments in Goa. This includes churches, temples and masjids of Goa. Union Minister for Culture Chandresh Kumari Katoj informed the Rajya Sabha. Renovation of 13 monuments, 82 lakhs for Basilica of Bom Jesus, 19 lakhs Cathedral Church, 8 lakhs Church of Convent of St. Francis of Assisi, 6 lakhs 50,000 St. Cajetan Church, 23 lakhs 75,000 Upper Fort Aguada, 2 lakhs Our Lady of Rosary Church, 50,000 St. Catherine Chapel, 2 lakhs St. Augustine Church, 25 lakhs Lower Fort Aguada, 5 lakhs Safa Masjid, 1,50,000 Rock Cut Caves, 5 lakhs Mahadev Temple Tambadi Sulla, 1,50,000 Mahadev Temple Kurdi. Union Minister also mentioned that the routine maintenance works are attended for all the protected monuments in Goa from the budget allocation to ASI under Conservation of Ancient Monuments. Our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Navy's interference in cleaning debris at the access road to Ayappa Temple at Mangor Hill in Vasco has raised many eyebrows. This is a common access road for naval quarters too. Navy stopped the local authorities from cleaning the debris, claiming that Naval Authority would clear it off. The joint inspection of the road was held on Wednesday.
This is the common access road to the Ayappa Temple and the naval quarters. Have a look at this debris. Sources claim that this is being dumped from the naval quarters. The president of Ayappa Seva Samiti, T. Ravishankar, says the Navy officials stopped the PWD officials from clearing the debris. The joint inspection was held on Tuesday.
These people are dumping this all year, and those who are coming to temple, it is very difficult to move this through this one. No light, nothing there, and to clear this area. So actually, we want to clear this area and put a tar and to maintain this area, the surroundings of the temple to clean and neat. So no chance, because last time when PWD comes and remove that mud, Navy comes and stops that thing. Actually now the area, we don't know whose it is. Navy says Navy's and the others selling theirs. So like that, nobody can clear this area.
Local MLA Carlos Almeida has appealed the naval authorities to clear off the debris as soon as possible.
Debris and garbage. So IMS chief officer clear clear Navy stop so meeting and Navy clear. So, the request to the Navy ki begin clear.
We spoke with the PRO of Navy, but he refused to comment. However, sources claim that this is a regular affair at this access road. Whenever any local authority like PWD or municipality tries to clear the debris, they are being stopped by the naval authorities. This interference by the Navy has raised many questions. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Residents of Girdoli Chandor Panchayat are annoyed with the no-confidence motion moved against the Sarpanch of the Panchayat. The Panch members had moved no-confidence motion against the Sarpanch on Sunday. The residents have given ultimatum of 3 days to give exact reason of no-confidence or else have threatened to close down the Panchayat.
आमका कित ते आमका रिजल्ट 3 दिसांभितर आमका कोडपाचो आमका कित आम खबर ना कित जाते आणि आमचो ड्युटी पंचायत असो कोता येना तुमका जाय तशे तुमको आमी निवडून हाडलो नाही आम लोकांना हाडले तुमका आम गाम पारो तुमका सरपंच जाय न्हू जाय जाल्यार माशा हात वयर काढायचा
जाता हे पंचांनी म्हाका कळोय नासतना लोकांक कळोय नासतना नो कॉन्फिडन्स घायले कोणागे आयकोन ते म्हाका खबर ना देखून आतां गांवच्या लोकांनी गिडदोल्या लोकांनी सगलो लोक भायर सरला म्हाका सपोर्ट करपाक चोरी तर तो लोक म्हणटा म्हाका उडयताय जाल्यार पंची नाकाय पंची भायर सराय म्हणून आतां लोकांगे मागणें म्हाका सरपंच धरपाचें आज दोतले ना ते तेंगे होशी आउट ऑफ 7 16 जाणांनी हाडलोले पूण तेंगे कित्या लागून हाडला हो मद कोण बोलले आनी कितें तेंका कांय खबर ना आनी आज लोकांनी फोर्स केला तेंका मिलाग्रिसा कित्या उडयताय ते रिजन दियाय कोण दिवपा तयार नाही
तर वडाचो लोकां नाका जाल्यार हांव विड्रॉ करता सायन मारता
Management of Apollo Victor Hospital has warned to stop Mediclaim-aided dialysis services to patients by end of August. They said the amount paid by the state government under Mediclaim scheme for dialysis is not enough to give quality services. Goa government has reduced the amount under the Mediclaim for dialysis by 200 rupees.
Apollo Victor Hospital management has decided to stop state-aided kidney dialysis to patients if the amount is not raised.
We have informed all the patients that it will not be possible for us to continue the services at the rates provided by them and that we will discontinue giving the services from the 31st of this month effective. We do not want to lower our rates as we do not want to decrease the quality of our services. Now it is for the ball is in the government court. Either they pay us 1500 or 31st the Mediclaim will be stopped to the patients.
Apollo Victor Hospital was rendering dialysis treatment to about 50 patients per day. Goa government provided reimbursement of 1500 per patient under the Mediclaim. But recently, the government has notified a reduction in the amount by 200 rupees. That means around 1300 will be reimbursed per patient. Victor Albuquerque claims hospital can't afford it.
When we approached the government as to how you could, without bringing to our confidence, without discussing, how could you decrease the rates and how could you inform the press without informing us? An unilateral decision is taken and thereby decreasing the rates from 1500 to 1300.
The patients had raised the issue last month following increase in amount of 250 per dialysis session by the hospital. Reporter Samir Bhatt with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.